What's up, everyone at home? It's Ryan Nelson, and you are watching Kern Living. On today's episode, as you can see, we're in my favorite store at the mall, but don't tell anybody. Legion Kicks has some of the most exclusive sneakers that you can find in all of Kern County. So we're gonna talk with the owner about what he has, and maybe I'll get a pair too. What was the inspiration behind opening this store here?
Well, I've always had a passion for sneakers personally. I've been into it all my life. I got my first pair of sneakers when I was about 5 or 6, and that was the original Playoff 13s. I remember my sister gave those to me. At the time, I didn't know anything about Jordans. I was just a kid. When she gave them to me, those being my first pair, I wore those things into the ground. I beat them to the ground until the soles fell off. That's kind of what initially got me into them, and when they re-retroed those years later, I had to get them. And that's kind of how it all started. And that was pretty much our segue into me getting into sneakers. And then in high school, it kind of got to the point where I had some friends who were reselling at the time. And it wasn't that big. You know, very few people were doing it. But I got into it through some friends, and it kind of just stuck. So that's kind of what led us here.
And not only can you purchase shoes here, but you can trade them in.
Yes, so we are what is called a buy-sell trade store. So you could come in and purchase like your everyday consumer, or you could come in and say, we have some grails. You can come in and trade sneakers in. We can buy them out cash directly, or we can give you store credit, which you're always gonna get more store credit if you go that route.
So you said the word grails, and for a lot of sneakerheads and people that don't understand the terminology of that, what is a grail?
If there's a certain shoe that I want that, let's say, is a couple hundred pairs in the world, that can be a grail to me. There could be a shoe that you grew up in your childhood you had, and it can only be a $300 shoe. But if it drops again, then for you, that's a must-have. Now to me, maybe, you know, not my thing, not my cup of tea, right? So I pass on that. But for you, that could be something that you want. You know, we have these Travis reverse mochas, which a lot of people, this is the grail to a lot of people. So this is roughly about a $1,200, $1,300 shoe, give or take. Now, a lot of people missed out on this shoe because it's very limited. We bring the hard to find ticket items where you can see them, you can touch them, you can feel them, and then we even allow you to try them on. Say, for instance, this is your grail, you come in, you say, you know what, I've been wanting to buy this for a while now, and I would like to try it on, but I'm afraid because I don't know how it fits and I don't want to drop that kind of money. Because you buy it online, you can't return it.
Right.
So here, we let you do that. You try that on, you're like, perfect, I found the fit, this is what I need, I'll take them.
I don't know anywhere else in Kern County that is doing this. So if somebody's watching at home, where can they find your exact location?
So we are located here in the Valley Plaza, 2701 Mink Avenue, space 152, right next to AT&T, right across from Macy's. You can't miss us, we're here. Legion Kicks, we're the first of our kind here to ever hit Kern County, the first full dedicated buy-sell trade store.
And what about social media?
Social media, we are on IG, which is legion.kicks, and that's LEGION.kicks, KICKS.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for all of that information. I'm gonna look around for some shoes because, hey, I love the Jordans that are on the wall and I love the Yeezys. There's just so much to look from, and I'll see you next time.
Right.